Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. Today we're exploring amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets 2025 that you probably didn't know you needed. But once you see them, you'll definitely want them in your kitchen. So friends, let's start. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Powerful 1500 watt motor. Crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and power through tough ingredients with the 2 horsepower motor, designed for professional results. Total crushing technology. The XL72 Oz asterisk pitcher, ideal for large batches and entertaining, features total crushing blades that crush ice to snow in seconds and powers through tough ingredients. Asterisk 64 Oz max liquid capacity. On the go convenience, includes 2 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, perfect for personalized shakes and smoothies. 8-cup food processing. Delivers consistent, even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Includes a dedicated chopping blade, plus dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Versatile functions. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, that best fits your recipe and meal prep needs. Electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet pressed sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean, damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Juicer machine. Upgraded 800W motor. Centrifugal juicer machine with upgraded 800W high-speed motor. More efficient and powerful than cold-press juicer maker. Lasts much longer than other competitor. 3-inch wide mouth will save your time on cut everything into small sticks. Dual-speed juicer machine. Juicer machine with 2 speed control, 1 low speed for soft fruits and veg, such as watermelon, orange, strawberry, etc. 2 high speed for some hard fruits and veg, such as carrot, celery, apple, pear, etc. Safety design and easy to clean juicer extractor with locking system arm. It will not work without cover locked into place. Overload protection system will switch off machine once overheating occurs. Detachable parts makes it easy to clean. To remove filter basket, please grasp the edge of the filter basket and pull up. Notice, avoid trying to juice things with a low water content. Electric pressure cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Egg flipper spatula tongs. Cooking versatile 2-in-1 design. Revolutionize your cooking experience with ease as you effortlessly egg flipper spatula tong and securely grip your foods. This innovative culinary tool is expertly designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with precision and versatility. Red circle black circle set of 2 in black and red. Elevate your kitchen style with this sleek set of 2 egg flipper spatulas featuring classic black and vibrant red colors. Whether you're aiming for a modern or traditional aesthetic, these spatulas complement any kitchen decor while adding a pop of color and functionality. Pancakes multi-purpose use. The egg flipper spatula excels at handling omelets, pancakes, steak, meat, fish, eggs, and beyond. This versatile kitchen tool is adept at turning, rotating, and frying, offering unparalleled convenience. Whether for home cooking, restaurant service, hotel kitchens, buffet setups, parties, and beyond, it's the ideal companion for all culinary endeavors. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 1515-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Electric salt and pepper grinder. One-handed smart operation with precision grinding. Experience effortless seasoning mill with the one-key switch, gravity sensor, and LED light trio. This intuitive design allows one-handed operation over grinding intensity and quantity, perfect for busy cooking scenarios. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Rechargeable battery plus quiet motor. The rechargeable salt and pepper grinder set powered by dual 650 mAh Type-C rechargeable batteries. 1+ hour runtime. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The 800 RPM plus or minus 10% motor delivers fast grinding while maintaining 65 dB noise at 0.5 m distance. Ideal for quiet kitchen environments. Safe, hygienic kitchen essential. Featuring an upgraded anti-collision base, this grinder prevents accidental damage and eliminates short-circuit risks in constantly charging bases, while reducing power consumption for energy efficiency. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS for safe food. Electric scrubber cleaning brush. Make kitchen cleaning faster and easier with the Kitchen Electric Scrubber Cleaning Brush. This powerful tool is designed to scrub away tough grease, stains, and dirt from dishes, sinks, stovetops, and countertops in seconds. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the replaceable brush heads tackle multiple cleaning tasks with ease. Perfect for pots, pans, tiles, and even bathroom surfaces, this electric scrubber saves you time and effort. Compact, rechargeable, and water-resistant, it's a must-have gadget for every modern kitchen. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time, we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and cleanup is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Easy to clean. The bowl, lid, and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. Electric composter. World's first smart waste electric composter. The ultimate kitchen appliance for transforming food waste into nutrient-rich natural fertilizer. Lomi is the best countertop composter for effortless waste reduction. Eco-friendly, sustainable. Turn your kitchen into a sustainable haven by converting food waste into natural fertilizer in under 24 hours. Say goodbye to waste guilt and hello to an eco-friendly lifestyle, all from your countertop. Easy to use, compact. Designed for indoor use, Lomi features a simple touch interface for effortless operation. With a sleek, space-saving 3L capacity, it's small enough to store but stylish enough to display. Reduce your carbon footprint. Using Lomi instead of sending waste to landfills can cut your carbon footprint by up to 127%. Turn food scraps into plant food. Electric skillet. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized nonstick is more durable than nonstick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. 1-year warranty and US-based customer support team. The Elite Gourmet Deep Dish Electric Skillet includes base, removable thermostat. So, which gadget surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss our latest Amazon finds. So, friend, thanks to you for watching the full video.